Flawless clarity, maintains your phone's pristine image quality. Reactive touch, retains your touchscreen responsiveness. Anti-shatter, anti-scratch, fortified glass with surface hardness 9H, the highest level on the glass hardness scale. Simplified, easy to clean, quick to install and leaves no residue when removed. Includes OTTERBOX limited lifetime warranty. See website for details. Top reviews from the United States. Easiest install. So easy to use and apply. I always have some else place these protectors on my phone's surface. This was the first time for me. Perfect results. Installed for 2 years and just saved my screen. I have used this screen protector for nearly 2 years. Just now my phone slipped out of my grasp and basically shot straight at my car door. Basically as if I threw it at a solid metal surface. It cracked in like 4 places and I peeled it off, showing a 100% clean and crack-free iPhone screen. The very bottom of the screen had bubbled up a bit over time, but it didn't really bother me. I am overnighting a second one now.